Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Happy Monday to each and every one of you. Today is the 11th of May. Welcome to it. My good things for today are Greta and Georgia. Say hi, Booger Bottoms. Okay. Bye-bye. All right. My other good things for today are another awesome week of distance learning and another week closer to summer. So, I have some good things from you guys from last Friday to share. One of them, Mother's Day. I hope you guys all honored your moms yesterday and did nice things for them and made them feel special because they absolutely deserve it, right? Also, life. Much better than the alternative. Drive-by birthdays. Happy birthday, Lucy Cho. Football training. European desserts, boba tea, pretzels, Chick-fil-A, making statues and orange arms, Big Bang Theory, hand sanitizer, bioluminescent waves, and exercise. All of those are excellent good things for today. So here is our new assignment guide for the week of May 11th. I'll be sending this to you along with this video and other things a little later this morning. So this is your reference for what we're doing this week. And today is a social studies day. We are reading chapter 12, section 3. And once again, I am going to give you this quiz notes assignment. Yes, you've probably figured out this is our normal quiz, and I'm calling it quiz notes because we're kind of skipping the step of notes. But please do make sure before you do the quiz notes that you've actually read the chapter, right? So, we are on chapter 12, section 3, which looks like this. It's entitled The Effects of the Reformation. It talks about how the Reformation caused wars and big divisions within Europe and in the Americas. But the big idea here that I kind of want you to focus on here is the Reformation was more than just a religious thing, right? Through the Reformation, people began to think about themselves and their role in the universe a little bit differently. Well, actually, not a little bit, but very differently. Up until the Reformation, people depended upon leaders, upon the church to interpret what to them at that time was the most significant thing on the universe, right? And that is the fate of their soul and their religious life. After the Reformation, people began to interpret the Bible, primarily within Catholicism, but began basically to think for themselves. More people started to read. People thought, well, if the church was wrong on these matters, maybe I need to read the Bible for myself. Maybe I need to educate myself. And this idea of this Renaissance idea of people educating themselves translated to lots of other fields other than just Christianity. Right? There would not be a United States of America. There would not be modern democracy if not for the Reformation of people starting to think for themselves instead of relying upon what others, people in power, told them to believe. So this is a very important chapter, but I want you to have that idea in your brain as you're reading this section. This isn't just about religion. It's also about people as individuals deciding for themselves what's really important and what these important documents and what the Bible says and how they translate that to other areas of life. And, All right, so that's what I want you to draw from that. Please do complete the quiz notes and turn those in. They are due on Thursday. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. Make sure you're filling out the attendance thing. That'll come to you at 8 o'clock as well. That is it for today. Bye-bye.